Stock intercooler, and we'll replace that with a forge intercooler. Hopefully it's all direct bolt-on. Doesn't look like it will require too much modification. It's not like a really tall one.
No, it should be a direct fit, I would say.
So you gotta pull the whole front bumper off. Disconnect the little fog lights. Yeah?
Yeah. That's it. Oh, nice. There you go. Intercooler out. There. Always good when it works. Fit later, but we'll see.
Just remounting the air temperature sensor.
That's it. Yeah, the hose clean.
Putting the hot dog on in.
No. I'm gonna have to pull that off. So that's all good. They're all in. That's all out of the way, nothing's touching. Actually, it fits quite well. It's not a bad kit.
Intercooler in.
Intercooler in.